Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your text glow easily on CapCut PC. So they do have this new effect, so you don't have to do the whole like adding video effects to it. You just need to do this, add in your default text, and I'm just going to name it default text. You can of course change it here, but I'm just going to go by the default text. And here I'm going to scroll down and actually select glow, and here is where you can add in a glow. You can also change the color of the glow as well and the text. So if you want to have like this blue glow, you can adjust the intensity as well and the range, like how big of glow you want it to be. And then in the text color you can also change it, I think. Yeah, you can. And it should look something like this. Well, like that. I don't know. It looks better if it's just like the same colored outline, I guess, as the glow. Like similar colors, like something like this. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.